Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. So this week we are going to begin to write our fairy tale stories. So today I'm going to talk to you about having strong beginnings. So starting with a strong beginning, we'll catch the reader's attention and we'll keep them reading the whole story. So I just wanted to show you what are some strong beginnings that you should think about when you are when you're beginning your fairy tale today. So remember that fairy tales begin with once upon a time or long, long ago. And I really want you to focus on describing and introducing your character. So if you remember, my character's name is Trisella. And so here I said, there once lived a kind, gentle, and beautiful princess named Trisella. So I'm describing what she looks like and how she is as a character. I also want to talk to you about describing and naming your setting. So for instance, in a far, far away land stood a grand and shiny castle that is made of glass and silver. So you want to be able to use that descriptive language that we talked about when you are writing your beginning paragraph. So last week you had on last Thursday, you wrote down all of your story elements into a quick look. So you put down all that information as a template for you to now use when writing your final. So if you have that, I want you to pull that out so that you can look at that when you are writing your piece today, your very first paragraph, because that's what we're going to focus on. We're going to focus on writing just that first paragraph, which is going to focus on your character and the setting. Okay? So these are just some of the story elements that you will see on that quick look paper that will help you as you are going through. Okay, so I have to think in mind that my problem is where my princess is captured because the evil witch comes and takes her away. So I want to keep that in mind as I begin to write this fairy tale. So I want to show you my first paragraph and what I have written so that when you go off and write today, you're going to do the same. So you're really going to be thinking about your hero/heroine. You can also think about your helper, okay, and where this is taking place. And then I kind of introduced a little bit of thinking about that evil villain that might be coming into play. So let me read what I have so far. Once upon a time, there once lived a kind, gentle, and beautiful princess named Trisella. Trisella lived in a grand and shiny castle made of glass and silver with her elf friend named Elfrin. Elfrin is a little cute elf who loves wildflowers and is very loyal to the princess. She also has a magical wand that she uses to protect Trisella. One day, she went walking in the forest to pick up some wildflowers. She suddenly heard a noise. So, in this paragraph, I've introduced my character, I have introduced my helper, I've introduced the setting, and then I'm, starting to kind of introduce a little bit of the problem and what's going to happen. So today, I really want you to focus, okay, on a strong beginning. You really want to catch the reader's attention that will keep them reading the whole story. So take out, and I can show you what I mean by that quick look paper. Okay, so let me just come out of here, and I will show you what I mean. So right here. So this quick look paper, okay, is what you filled out last Thursday. So this will help you as we are writing for the next 3 days. We're going to write 3 paragraphs, a beginning, a middle, and an ending. And today we are going to focus on just our opening. Okay? All right, boys and girls, we can't wait to read them. Have fun.